Happy Sunday, everyone. Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead, which will begin with plenty of sunshine, heat, and some humidity to go along with it. You can see the sunshine on this Sunday afternoon over Texarkana right now, and what we're watching is the same upper level ridge of high pressure, which has now centered itself over Arkansas right now. You can see the center of the ridge with the particles indicated on this particular model situated right about in here with that clockwise circulation around the center of the high. We will see this ridge move more towards the east, and a pretty good trough here across the upper Midwest is going to be developing. That's going to try to push a frontal system southward, which will give us a chance for some rain towards the end of the week. Until then, we are going to stay hot and we are going to stay dry. A quick look at Futurecast during the next couple of days shows that we will see a mostly clear sky tonight with a few low clouds possible late. Tomorrow, expect a mix of clouds and sunshine across the area, as we will likely not see anything as far as rain. And then going through tomorrow night, again, we become mostly clear and stay rather warm. For Tuesday, that rather hot and dry weather pattern will continue with a mix of clouds and sunshine. Now, longer range, what's going to be happening is that we will see the upper level ridge, as I mentioned, centered pretty close to just to our north right now over Arkansas. It is gradually going to move back towards the east. You can see the trough moving into the upper Midwest. And still by Tuesday, the ridge is very close to the Arctic, so we will see temperatures staying close to 100. And notice that trough developing across the southern sections of Canada with that big upper level low. As we move this forward, you can see the shot of rain will begin to increase as that trough moves across the Great Lakes. It'll push the frontal system southward. So starting Friday, we'll see the possibility. It still looks promising that we'll see a pretty good chance for some rain around the area that will probably reach its peak Saturday and then come to an end Sunday. And as we go into the first part of next week, that ridge will begin to move back towards the west. That'll shut off any hope of rain and also begin to warm us back up. As far as rainfall potential, a little discouraging that some models kind of backing off on the amount of rainfall, and you can kind of see the disparity from model to model at pretty much any location across the region. That shows you two things, that the rain should be rather scattered across the area, as we'll see totals that will likely be as little as a quarter of an inch or less, or perhaps an inch, inch and a half could be possible in a few isolated spots. So your forecast looks like this during the nighttime hours tonight. We will see a mostly clear sky across the area. Temperatures will be falling only into the mid to upper 70s. Right around 79 degrees tonight in Texarkana, 78 degrees in Shreveport. Tomorrow, expect to see lots of sunshine once again as we heat back up close to 100. 99 in Shreveport, 100 in Texarkana, 100 also for the high temperature in DeQueen. Moving ahead, temperatures will stay pretty close to 100 for most of the week ahead. By Friday, as the rainfall chances increase, highs will dip back into the mid-90s. Lows will stay in the mid to upper 70s. Notice towards the end of the period that we will see the rainfall end with daytime highs returning to the upper 90s by the middle part of next week. So get ready for more heat. Very little as far as rain until that next chance of rain, which begins Friday, reaches its peak Saturday, and likely ends next Sunday.